Visible Wi-Fi calling uses your Wi-Fi network to make calls when cellular reception is weak. First, ensure you have a compatible device, iPhone 6 or newer with iOS 9 or later, or an Android device with Android 5.0 or higher that supports Wi-Fi, along with a visible SIM or eSIM. Activate Wi-Fi calling in your phone's settings under Phone for iOS or Network and Internet for Android. Common problems include router incompatibility, so try both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. VPN interference can block calls, so disable VPN temporarily. Firewall restrictions may also prevent connection. Visible's app, version 10.2 and later, has an AI diagnostic tool that automatically checks device compatibility, network settings, and SIM status. For best performance, aim for a Wi-Fi signal strength of 50 dBm or better and ping latency under 100 milliseconds. Security is ensured with SRTP encryption, but avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive calls due to potential eavesdropping risks. Recent network enhancements and carrier-side fixes have improved reliability, resolving many past bugs. Start with basic troubleshooting steps. First, restart your device to clear any temporary glitches. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset network connections. Then, update your phone's software to ensure compatibility with the latest Wi-Fi calling features. If problems persist, open the Visible app and run the Remote Diagnostics tool. For router issues, whitelist Wi-Fi ports UDP 500 and 4500 and enable UPnP in your router settings. If using a VPN, configure split tunneling to allow IMS traffic for Wi-Fi calling. Android users should check for additional device-specific Wi-Fi calling settings in network preferences. In rare cases, a corrupted SIM causes issues. Contact Visible for a remote SIM reset. If call quality drops on public Wi-Fi, switch to a more stable network or use cellular connection. Visible's partnership with T-Mobile provides shared Wi-Fi hotspots for better coverage in urban areas. If all else fails, contact Visible support via the app for personalized assistance. Remember to check for app updates regularly.